him. Tell him. Look at the kitty. He's so exhausted. I know. Oh no! Mommy could have died. Hey, Cujo out there. Tell him. Tell him about the kitty. About the kitty outside. Yeah, that's a big kitty. Oh, it's big, wasn't it? It bit me, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah. CPR on me. Yeah, I know, I died, didn't I? I died. Oh, it's painful to hear that, isn't it? I died. I did. I did die, didn't I? Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah, oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Did you die? Did you die? Or did just mommy? Was it dad? Was it? I know. I did terrible. Oh, bless you. Yeah, tell her. Tell her, mommy died. It was bad. Tell about the kitty then. Get the kitty. I know, mommy died. Oh, mommy died. Tell her about the kitty. At the door. The door and the kitty. And the kitty went bye-bye. Hello, is it back? Hello? Yeah, oh, I know. Well, tell Ashley about the kitty. Well, Ashley, about the kitty. And mommy died. And mommy died. Tell mommy died. CPR. It was awful, wasn't it? It was so awful. Yeah, I died. I died. Guess we're done.